If you're up for another heartwarming rescue, watch this hero rescuing a trapped cat. This construction worker is digging a hole in the concrete floor in order to save the cat trapped underneath. They have been hearing a cat crying for weeks, but were unsure as to where it was coming from. Who knows for how long the cat has been stuck in that narrow hole? Luckily, the worker manages to save the cat in no time. Poor thing must have been terrified. Another helpless kitten got itself stuck in a sticky situation after getting trapped in a drainage pipe. The cat's owner, who keeps 10 of these felines in his home, noticed one day that one of them was missing. The worried cat lover could hear the cat crying for help, but had no idea where it could be. After a while, to his astonishment, he found that the sound was coming from the middle of a pipe which drained water from his roof. Fearing for the kitten's life, the owner started working immediately. He is fighting against time. The poor kitten must have been stuck in there at least for a few hours. The tiny creature must be scared to death. The worried owner is working furiously to cut open the pipe so that he can then pull out the kitten out of there. He can hear the agitated kitten desperately crying. Stuck in that narrow, dark space, the kitten must be suffocating. The owner is persisting in his efforts to get the lovely kitten out of there safely. At last, he manages to cut the pipe and the lovely kitten can be seen coming out of there. Understandably, the kitten is still in shock after such a terrifying experience, but luckily it didn't suffer any injuries. Thank goodness, the tiny adorable creature survived the ordeal without getting injured. Hopefully the kitten won't enter the drain hole again while playing on the roof.